Hey guys, it's Aura. No, I'm not dead. Okay, so for any of you that have been following my channel for a while, you know that I've been building a PC. Or any of my friends that might be watching this, you know I've been building a PC. And I just recently got, everything else to fix it, or to put it all together, get it all sort of fixed up, and there it is. Today I got Windows 10, it's installed, and it's just loading up. So, that's the reason why I haven't been posting for a while, is because I've been doing this. Ooh, ooh. What's it gonna do? Come on. Nope. Went dark. Okay then. Enter password. Okay. So, yeah. Right. That's pretty good. So, see you guys later.